Imagine a future where the boundaries between human and machine blur. A world where algorithms navigate our lives and the possibilities are limited only by our imagination. Today, we will dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence, uncovering the astonishing stats that shape our technological landscape in the year 2023. In this digital age, the adoption of smart, data-driven technologies in enterprise applications is happening at an unprecedented rate, which is disrupting traditional workplace strategies and transforming the business landscape like never before. At the forefront of all disruptive technologies is artificial intelligence and its subset, machine learning. Both artificial intelligence and machine learning, business leaders agree, are the key drivers of the Industry 4.0 revolution. From healthcare to automobiles, agriculture to hospitality, manufacturing or education, AI is increasingly impacting every industry. The technology is enabling organizations to increase efficiency, reduce costs, improve customer experience, boost revenues, and gain competitive advantage in the marketplace. Services and solutions leveraging AI, such as virtual assistants, chatbots, facial recognition systems, voice search, and self-driving vehicles, are no longer science fiction stories of yesterday. They are now a reality affecting every aspect of the modern-day world. The following AI stats will provide you with a comprehensive overview of AI's present state and the opportunities it offers for the future. But before diving deep into the AI stats, let's first take a look at some stunning artificial intelligence facts that will leave you in awe. AI-enabled devices are everywhere. Nearly 77% of devices today use AI technology in one form or another. The growth of AI startups accelerated 14-fold since 2000. And we would bet more of them are coming up every year. Business leaders trust AI's power in driving growth. 84% of C-level executives believe that they need to adopt and leverage artificial intelligence to derive growth objectives. The global AI market is booming. It will reach $190.61 billion by 2025 at a compound annual growth rate of 36.62%. By 2030, artificial intelligence will add $15.7 trillion to the world's GDP, boosting it by 14%. There will be more AI assistants than people in the world. Forecasts indicate that there will be 8.4 billion AI-powered digital voice assistant units in the world by 2024, which surpasses the total global population. Artificial intelligence stats that matter in 2023. Artificial intelligence stats from MIT Sloan show that 75% of top executives believe that AI will allow their organization to grow and achieve a competitive edge. According to a survey by Strategy Analytics, 41% of the respondents in India, China, Western Europe, and the United States feel that emerging AI technologies will create a better life for them. One of the strange artificial intelligence facts is that only 34% of consumers realize that they are directly experiencing AI, according to a study published by Pegasystems Incorporation. According to a study by Creative Strategies, 96% of Android consumers and 98% of iPhone consumers use Google and Apple's AI-based digital assistants, OK, Google, and Siri. The study further highlights that 51% of consumers use digital assistants in cars, 39% in homes, 6% in public places, and 1.3% at work. AI-powered voice search features on smartphones, smart speakers, and other voice-enabled gadgets is becoming increasingly mainstream thanks to the technological advancements in the field of speech recognition. Current artificial intelligence stats point out that 41% of people who use smart devices utilize the voice search feature as often as once a day. Thank you for staying in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest technological revelations. And if you have any thoughts, comments about the subject, or any suggestions for us, do let us know in the comment box.